What do I do if my TV remote doesn't work after programming it without a code?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to tackle the common issue of a TV remote not working after trying to program it without a code. Don't worry, there are a few straightforward steps you can take to remedy this situation. Let's get into it.
Verify the remote's functionality.
First off, you'll want to make sure your remote is functioning properly. Check that the batteries are properly inserted and have power. Try using the remote with a different device, if possible, to ensure it isn't the issue.
Reattempt manual programming.
Next, try to manually program your remote again. There might have been a mistake during your initial attempt. Follow the programming instructions that came with the remote control. Usually, this involves holding down a button or combination of buttons on the remote until a light or LED indicator comes on, then pressing the power button repeatedly until the TV turns off. If your remote doesn't come with instructions, you can usually find them online by searching for your remote's model number.
Autocode search.
If manually programming the remote doesn't work, consider using the autocode search function if your remote has it. This function allows the remote to cycle through all of the available codes until it finds the one that works with your TV. Again, you'll need to refer to the instructions for your specific remote control to do this.
Factory reset.
As a last resort, you might want to reset your remote to its factory settings. Be aware that this will erase any programming you've done to the remote. The process for this varies by remote model, but it generally involves pressing and holding a combination of buttons.
Consult manufacturer or expert.
If none of these methods work, it might be best to consult the manufacturer or a technical expert. There could be an issue with the TV or the remote that requires professional intervention. That's it for this video. I hope these troubleshooting steps will help you get your TV remote up and running again. Just remember, verify your remote's functionality, reattempt manual programming, try the autocode search, consider a factory reset, and don't hesitate to seek expert help when needed. Happy viewing!